Good morning, welcome back. So this is the start of construction day 3, and we are going to try to do the sandwiching. So basically taking the framing that we've done for the now 4 pieces of the flooring and sandwich it so that it's 3/4 inch plywood at the top. Inside of the cavity it's foam enough for 3.5 inches plus the spray foam to make it tight. Underneath will be the 3/8 plywood. And then we'll put the rubber underneath that plywood and then top it off, or bottom it out I guess, with the aluminum flashing so that we can stop the animals from chewing into all that good stuff. So here we go for construction day 3. Alright, so now the time has come. We've drilled all the holes and put this centerpiece first, and we're just putting some 2x4s across it. Then we can lift it up and then start building the underneath, and then we'll know that it can go back on exactly the way that it needs to. Now as we lay these sheets down, everywhere where wood contacts wood as far as these sheets are concerned, subfloor, we're going to be putting some subfloor adhesive or construction adhesive, whatever you have on hand, just to create that solid bond. Nope. Now that we have the 3/8 plywood on there, we're going to put this rubber seal that will be between the aluminum and plywood. And what does that do?
It prevents condensation when the cold hits the aluminum.
Right on. Put the aluminum on, and we're going to leave on either side about 3 inches, so that when a center section is down, the other 2 can go on top, so to make a nice seam that overlaps. So a nice little trick when you're cutting aluminum, instead of using tin snips, you can score it with a knife, and then you can fold the sheet on itself a few times, and then the line will snap. I'll try to show you this. So now that we've scored it, we're going to lean it up against a piece of wood. There, and then just fold this over. And then fold it back a couple times. This one. Oh, good to go. Good trick, Dad. Thank you. So, I guess the first piece of learning is after we put this subfloor section on, we see that there's just not enough of that bolt. So we'll have to go get some new carriage bolts that give at least an extra ½ inch, if not an inch. And I guess that was a miscalculation on my part. But there's always a way. We're gonna get the right bolts, and we can continue and put the other section on, and then we'll just get the right bolts and put it in place. Well, that is it for day 3 of construction. Didn't get as far as we thought that we would. So today we basically were able to flip those 4 big pieces over, do the 3/8 plywood on one side, and then apply the rubber. And then we ran out of aluminum. We needed maybe 12 feet of aluminum. So we'll do that next construction day. But all in all, a huge day. Those pieces are pretty heavy to lift, so if you're trying this, the fact that we cut them into 4 pieces was pretty ideal. So I would definitely suggest that if you guys are thinking of giving that a try. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. Love to answer some questions in these videos, so be sure to add those. And we'll see you next time. Take care. God bless. What do you think? Day 3, good?